Model 2007 VAUXHALL VIVARO TRAFIC 2.0 CDTI long MOTM 9RXBT MOTED Grin body, white, panel van twin side doors mileage, 182000 MOT, the 9th of March 2024 engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 90 bhpb transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Will need front brake pads replacing at a minimum as they are grinding. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: parking sensors, electric windows, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.